everyone, welcome back to Sanela Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eGagasini, the wave of change from the 17th to the 21st of August 2026 on Monday. Truth or Dare have their first big radio interview which exposes their level of PR training. Banned food at the Shozi house leaves the family searching the streets for Umlazi. Hubo makes a move that can blow Ayalanga's cover on Tuesday. Lwandle swallows a bitter pill as her mother stands by her father. The Shozi family make effort to mend fences with Ayalanga while she struggles fighting or fitting into the world she's keeping secret. On Wednesday, the teasers are not available on Thursday. Senzo considers reconnecting with his criminal past. Malume Jacobs Imbelego plan spiral into chaos. Hubo and Ayalanga's ticket-selling hustle is sabotaged by Pitbull on Friday. As money problems shake Umlilo Records, the trio begins doubting the Dubes, while Ayalanga finally sees or feels like she belongs to the Shozis. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.